Hare Krishna. So, today our topic is on meditation. Generally, people are very much interested to do some meditation. We see in the modern age nowadays, people used to do spiritual activity in the name of meditation. Like actually, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is written that prayena alpayushe sabda yuge asmi yuge kale asmi yuge jana manda sumanda matayo manda bhagyahi upadrata. In this age of Kali Yuga, Iron Age, people are so much unfortunate and misguided, quarrelsome, lazy. So, this Manda Bhagya, our fortune is that we are misfortunate. Because you see, on the name of this spirituality, there are so many spiritual organizations which are misguiding us on the name of meditation. Actually, from the Vedic literatures, we see that in this age of Kali Yuga, it is not possible that we can do meditation. Like Srimad Bhagavatam is the one of the essence of all the literatures. So Vyasadeva, he already predicted before starting of Kali Yuga. So does that mean that also we are already misfortunate, so we cannot do spiritual activity, we should follow them, these misguided leaders? Not like that. There is also a prediction that in this age of Kali Yuga, the intelligent people worship the Lord in the name of His holy name. The sloka is like this: Krishna Varnam Trisha Krishnam Sango Parshatu Parshadam Eggai Sankirtanai Prayai Ejantihi Sumedasa. There we talked about Manda Bhagya, and here we are talking about Sumedasa. Sumedasa means the intelligent people. The intelligent people in this age of Kali, they worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead by congregation chanting and remembering His holy names. Like we see, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nahi Anya. He is Krishna himself, and he 500 years ago he took his birth in the place called Nadia, West Bengal state. So he taught this process by roaming everywhere throughout the India. Like he given this process of chanting the holy name of the Lord. What is that? That is the 16 words mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Not only he just described that, he also given many shastric evidences. Like in the Kali Santara Upanishad, it is stated, Kali Kalmasa Nasanam. This Hare Krishna Mahamantra will destroy the effect of Kali. If we chant the holy name, chanting means what? We are remembering the God. Generally we see people, they say, when I was a child, not child, you can say when I was a student, that time one of my teacher, he was teaching us Hindi language. So she used to say, after finishing our school, you all be stay here, we'll do some time meditation. So we said okay, because we are child, so we cannot say no, everybody should wait. So we all waited for that. Then school, generally there are every religion people, right? Like Hindus, Muslims, Christians. There is not a different only one religion people will not be there, right? So everybody was there. So she said okay, come everyone, sit in the line, and we sat. Then after that she said everybody close your eyes. Then we closed our eyes. Then she said okay, now Hindus, you meditate on the mantra Om. Okay, after that she said different for different religions. So everybody started doing this. Okay, somebody is meditating on this Allah, somebody meditating on the Jesus Christ, and somebody is meditating on the Om. But you see, actually this is impersonal meditation, right? God is not impersonal, God is a person. We see in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that Sarvadharman parityaja mam ekam sharanam raja. He is saying that mam ekam sharanam raja. That means he is saying us that meditate on me. Okay, he is not saying that you meditate on Brahmajyoti, impersonal form, or some radiating effulgence. Like I also attended one another type of meditation. There people, many people were there. Those are aged people. So I did not remember that organization that came. That was not organization, like some local company. Okay, like local company. They came and they were doing this. Okay, everybody come and sit. You can meditate. We will tell the process. So I also went. One of one of my doctor was there, so he asked me to come. So I also went there. Then we sat, and they are saying that okay, please sit in the chairs. We sat. Then meditate. So we are meditating. After meditating some time, like 10 minutes, so how you feel? Everybody saying, very good, very good, very good. What they are meditating, they don't know. Like they meditate on some, okay, you need not to think about anything. You just meditate. You meditate. You concentrate your attention here in between your eyebrows. Okay, and let there be no thinking come in your mind. So you sit like that, silently. So after that they are saying, wow, how much happy I am feeling, how much peacefulness I am feeling, how much relaxed I am feeling. If you sit silently, you cannot stop your mind wandering here and there, right? We all know. If you try it is not possible. Like I was searching in the internet, I wrote meditation. So the word came is meditation process in 4 steps. Take your seat and be seated. After that, you think in your mind. And the 4th process is, now your mind is wandering, so be kind to your mind. Let the mind do not wander here and there. Arey, what is this? And what thing you have to meditate? They don't say, because they don't know. Many people say that one person is saying you meditate on some impersonal form, and another person is saying that you concentrate on your mind, and another person is saying let there be no desires in your mind. It cannot be possible. Prabhupada says that if you don't have any desires, that means you are already dead. If you don't have desires, means you are already dead. So the thing is that we said to have desires, but that desires should be diverted to God consciousness, and we should know who is that God. That God is Krishna. Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, he is already saying, what is saying? He is saying ananyam chintayanto mam. Ananya chintayanto mam. Ananya means you have to meditate on him uninterruptedly. Not that okay, I am feeling now some disturbance, mind disturbance, so I will meditate on Krishna. Or else I am getting some family problems, or I have some desires, so I should meditate on the Lord. This is not the actually process. Yes, of course, if you do, that also is not bad, that is also accepted. But the thing is, one should remember the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. That is the process. And this process is so easy that wherever you can do this, there is no need to do any type of mystic performances or any hard work. You see, actually the meditation means, you know what is that? In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying already in the 6th chapter, Dhyana Yoga. To do meditation, there are 8 processes. This is Ashtanga Yoga, right? So that is in this 8 process, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. This is the process of yoga. If you wanted to do meditation, then you go through this process taught by Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. For that, you need to have one qualification. The qualification is you should have to control first your senses. That is called Yama and Niyama. There are many rules and regulations to follow this meditation process, this Yama and Niyama. Then starts, first posture is you have to prepare on the deer skin, and that should not be too high and too low, because when you sit in that position, there will be some creatures, insects, they will be disturbing you. So that is why this process is recommended to sit like this. Okay, some height and not too height, not too low. And another thing is that you need to control your senses before only. We see in the Srimad Bhagavatam there are so many personalities, great personalities. Although they were trying to do this meditation, they were allured by illusory energy. They are allured by illusory energy in the form of Maya. This is happened in so many years ago, right? So for the great personalities like Vishwamitra and King Priyavarta, it was not successful. So how personalities like us in this age of Kali Yuga, we are so much in the disturbances situations. Like how many people are living with nowadays without mobile, without WhatsApp, without Facebook? There are so many disturbances. So Arjuna also saying in the Bhagavad Gita, for this meditation is already rejected. 5000 years ago, Arjuna himself rejected that. Krishna, you are saying that to do meditation, but I found mind is very restless. I cannot do this process. So we that not like Arjuna, right? Arjuna is a great personality. He himself rejected. So what to say about us? So the best process is to accept this Krishna consciousness and chanting the holy name of the Lord given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This 16 words name is will give you liberation as well as satisfaction, bliss and peace. This is also stated, Hare Nama Maiva Kevalam Kalau Nasteva Gatiranyata. In this age of Kali, there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Only the standard process is to remember the holy name of the Lord. I tell one incident that happened with us recently while we are coming in the train. The day was Ekadasi and we thought we'll do some kirtan. So we started doing some kirtan. I asked my friend Achyutnam Prabhu, please do some kirtan. So he accepted. Then fortunately we got a association of some that people are from Agartala, yes. So we asked them to, okay, you also join with us. They said, okay, do, we'll see. Then we started kirtan by doing clapping. We are clapping and singing. They also joined with us. After that we found that they have Mridanga and Kartal. Okay, so I said, okay, take out. Then they gave us the Mridanga and Kartal, but they were child Mridanga and Kartal. Somehow we managed. Then we started doing some kirtan in the train. They also joined. They enjoyed. Then we asked them from where you are coming. They said that they are doing some pilgrimage since 25 days. They visited Jagannath Puri. They visited Vrindavan, Mathura. They even visited Mayapur also. So we felt that was our fortunate that we had their association. So you see, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, wherever you can do, either you are in the office, either you are in the school, either you are in the home, either you are in the hospital, either you are in the police station, wherever you are. Like we see that in our Prabhupada Leela also, there was a story about salt and bread. They were doing this holy name in the jail. So they dedicated their life for just chanting this holy name. So this process is so simple, even the child can take part. You ask him to come and dance before the Lord, yes, he will accept it. He will say no. The thing is, I wanted to make here that people are in this age of Kali misguiding those who are wanted to take a spiritual path. So my sincere request with you, all of you, that you please try to understand this meditation is also there, but not like this modern age process. This meditation process is like as per written in the scriptures, that we should know. That we should try to follow. When you follow, then there are three symptoms. One is you will get peace, and another one is you will get satisfaction, and another one is you will get bliss. You may ask me that how can you say these things will come? Yes, since 4 to 5 years I am chanting this Mahamantra, and Prabhupada was giving one example that how can you say that you are satisfied. So he says in that when a person feels hunger, he takes a food. When he takes a food, his hunger automatically goes away. So the person who takes the food, he only knows that he is satisfied. If you ask me that you also satisfied, I cannot say, because if you take food or not, I don't know. The person whoever takes, the person himself only knows. The same way, when you chant this holy name, when you chant this Mahamantra, you yourself realize this, that yes, I am satisfied. Like one example I will give you in this. Nowadays we are forcibly attacked by coronavirus. So we are living in some college, maybe you can say. We don't know that college is attacked by corona or not. Okay. But still we are living. But after few days it is found that many people got attacked with corona. So we are not seeing corona. But how we are affecting with corona? There are symptoms that tells that you are affected with corona. Right? They'll say, my throat is doing some jig. Then there is a there is headache, there is body pains, there is fever. So these are the symptoms of coronavirus. In the same way, when you do meditation on the Krishna, this holy name, there are symptoms of Krishna virus also. Okay, that symptoms are these: that you feel satisfaction, you feel peace, you feel bliss. The most advantage of this chanting of the holy name is that the degree you do this mantra, you will derive the bliss, you will derive the pleasure. Because Krishna says, in this age of Kali, he took his incarnation in the form of holy name. Kali Kale Nama Rupe Vishnu Avatara. That's all. That is the conclusion. This is Kali Yuga. So you accept this mantra and meditate on this, you will see the result. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.